Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile name in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. To change your profile name in Mobile Legends is a quick way to personalize your account or refresh your identity. First of all, launch open the Mobile Legends Bang Bang on your Android device or your iOS devices and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main lobby screen, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. From here, you will be able to see your profile. Click on your current name at the top, and in order to change your profile, you will need the rename card. But if you are trying to change your new name for the first time, then you can go ahead and do it since the first name change is free. After typing down a name for yourself, click on OK. You can also randomize the name by tapping the dice icon on the right corner and find the name that is OK for you. After you select a name, click on OK to change your name. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your name in your Mobile Legends Bang Bang profile. Now your new name should be reflected on your profile at the top left. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.